Yo, keep your right hand up. Go ahead. Keep your chin low. Stay low. Stay low. Stay low. No, you were standing kind of low. You was all right. Now look, right there you had your feet side by side. You got to keep the left foot forward.
Come on, Mike, let's go, Mark. I'm waiting for you.
Get under. Keep getting under. There you go. I like that. Left foot forward. Left foot forward.